I don't wanna be. I do. I'm feeling goofy.
Hey everybody. I'm kind of new here this year, so don't kill me if I mess it up. I basically want to show you that if you're developing in Haxe and you target on JavaScript, that you actually can have pretty smooth animations, and that's what I will show you now. Also, what we did on this project was we made about 18 pictures of cell phone cases, and we assigned that to every single product. And with these 18 pictures, we can rotate products 360 like this. And actually, we're planning on flipping them open like vertically. So that's basically what I wanted to show you.